Hello everybody, it's your boy Kebani again, coming away with another video. I'm going to show you how to get these files and then how to also use it, how to customize it and use it for your artwork. Let's step into Photoshop. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to the place. Okay, you can download it. Okay, and then these are the files. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to edit it. It's really important how to edit it for the newbies and then those who have no idea how to use it yet. Okay, so now you all want to get rid of all these stuff. You don't want them to show in your artwork, so we'll close it. All right, make it invisible. Now you can see over here, edit text. Edit text. That's what we are going to edit. Double click on it, and then you can see that the word is what? It's not really black or it's not really white. It's this color, guys. Do not change the color. Leave it like this. Now also you can see we have this exclamation mark here or this whatever sign over here. What it means is that we do not have that particular file installed on our PC. Okay, it's called Reflect or Reflect free. So what we are going to do is we are going to use a different font. Okay, you have two options. Use a different font, or you download the font and then you install it. Okay, now I do not have the font installed on my PC. To be honest with you, I do not have the font installed on my PC. So I'm going to do one thing. Okay, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick an alternative font that I feel like I can use for this video. I'm going to use Impact. In fact, I'm going to be using Impact throughout if I do not have the font. Okay, and I'm going to drag it in the middle like this, and then I'm going to click on Control S to save it. Control S, and then when I close it, it is going to what reflect over here. You understand me now? Also, because you want to export it to your file and then use it in your artwork, guys, as usual, make it invisible. Then now you can save it as what? A PNG file. But then I'm going to show you the right way to save your file as a PNG file for social media handles and then also for online platforms. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that very soon, guys. Watch out for that video. All right, so that is how you do this. Now let me close it. Let me show you the other one as well. Okay, the other one is also almost the same thing. Okay, don't flatten it. Do not cancel it. Keep layers. That's what you want to click. Then once you click that, you're going to have everything, all the layers in place, beautifully labeled and colored nicely like this. First thing you want to do, guys, the title, hide it. Nice. And then you can see double click to change text. So that's what you want to do. All right. Now you can see I do not have the font again. I do not have the font. So I have the choice. It's called Matchmaker. I have the luxury to go and look for a different script font. I can go here and go and look for script. Okay. And then pick any script font that I want to use. Or you can download the font as well. Control S to save it. Okay. Once you save it, you can now close it. And guess what? It's going to reflect over here. And then lastly, you also want to hide the background, okay, so that you can have invisible like this, and then you can go and save it as what, a PNG file. And again, guys, I'm going to show you how to save your file as a PNG file, the right format, the right settings, and then how to do everything. Okay, so now guys, if you love this video, hit the bell icon, subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to comment. It's really important. I love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.